Hey everyone, welcome to another question and answer session. A 20 years old lady presents with pain in the medial aspect of her thigh. Investigation shows a large ovarian cyst. Compression of which of the nerve listed below is the most likely underlying cause. So, after careful reading, now we have to pick up the most important point from this question. A 20 years old lady presents with pain in the medial aspect of the thigh. So, pain in the thigh and it is in the medial aspect, and it is so large ovarian cyst. So, compression of the which nerve. So, we have to find out the nerve, and compression occurs by the large ovarian cyst of this nerve. So this nerve is very closely related to the ovarian area, and this nerve will supply the medial aspect of the thigh. So compression of this nerve causes pain of this area. Here are the options are sciatic nerve, genitofemoral nerve, obturator nerve, ilioinguinal nerve, and femoral cutaneous nerve. So we have to find out one of the options which is compatible with the answer. That means which nerve is very closely related to the ovary, and it also supply the medial aspect of the thigh. So here we can see this is the ovary. Here all the structure are removed from here. Here we can see this is the ovary and it is attached to the ligament of the ovary, and we can see a different type of the vessels and ureter passes behind the ovary here, and internal iliac vessels here, the external iliac vessels present, and we can see a nerve which is very close to this ovary, and this is the obturator nerve. So the obturator nerve, it is very close to the ovary. So ovarian tumor causes enlargement of the ovary, and this will compress this nerve, and this nerve is the obturator nerve. And you can see this is the obturator nerve after arising from the lumbar plexus, lumbar 2, 3, 4. It is anterior part or anterior mi of the lumbar 2, lumbar 3 and 4, and then it passes through the pelvis and through the obturator foramen. It enters into the medial aspect of the thigh and supplies the different muscles of the thigh here in the adductor compartment or medial compartment, such as adductor longus, adductor brevis, adductor magnus, and sartori and gracilis and pectineus. So these important muscles are supplied by this obturator nerve, and we can see the medial aspect of the thigh, the sensory area in this part, it is supplied by this obturator nerve. So compression of this obturator nerve here by the ovary, it causes pain in the medial aspect of the thigh, and also it may compromise the action of the muscle on the medial aspect of the thigh, such as this muscle, such as adductor brevis, adductor longus, adductor magnus, gracilis, obturator externus, and pectineus muscle. So our answer will be the obturator nerve, because this obturator nerve, it is very close to the ovary, and it supplies the medial aspect of the thigh sensory area, and it also supplies the muscles which lies the medial aspect of the thigh, such as this important group, adductor group of muscle, namely adductor longus, adductor brevis, adductor magnus, and the obturator externus, gracilis, and pectineus. And other nerves are sciatic nerve posterior aspect. Then genitofemoral nerve, it is more away from this. Then ilioinguinal nerve, it also the anterior abdominal wall and inguinal region. Genitofemoral nerve, genital region and femoral region. So it these two nerve usually don't pass through the pelvic region. And femoral cutaneous, it is also the superficial nerve, and this nerve usually don't enter into the pelvic cavity. So our answer is now the obturator nerve. Thank you all.